If you planning to apply a skilled worker visa, then you always come across with these terms of tables. Table 1A, 1AA, 2A, 3A, all these tables. They all available on gov.uk in the immigration section. I'll put the links in the description. In this video, today we will discuss what these tables actually mean. So let's suppose if we go on the workers and temporary workers sponsored license skilled worker visa guidance. For me, these terms was very confusing. So I thought to understand myself and to explain you as well that what these terms means. I have worked with Nextcore Tech on several websites and projects, and overall experience has been very professional and satisfying. With strong technical knowledge and familiarity with UK industry standard, I found Nextcore Tech to be reliable technically and they sound very good. The prices which they have also provided was reasonable, so they have managed few projects with me and I think it was worth working with them. I would confidently recommend Nextcore Tech to businesses seeking dependable technology partner so they can help them. You can contact them directly on their WhatsApp number as well, on their website. It's very easy to connect with them and you can also get a quote if you wanted to do anything like that. So let's jump to the eligible occupation code section, and over here it says the job the worker is being sponsored to do must be in an eligible SOC 2020 occupation code listed in the relevant table of appendix skilled occupation. So when I click on appendix skilled occupation, this will take me to this link where we have table 1, table 1A, table 2, table 2AA, table 2A, table 2B. So in this video, I'll try to explain you what these tables mean and how to interpret them. So let's understand table 1A first. According to this, it means SOC 2020 jobs assessed at level 6 plus RQF. Table 2 means the same RQF 6 plus codes, but the going rates are the 25th percentile. Table 1A means RQF 3 to 5 occupation codes that are eligible before 2025 July and are kept only for workers who already hold skilled worker leave in that exact code. So let's suppose you are on a restaurant manager job code, and in that case, this table 1A is for you. Table 2AA means, so let me show you the table as well, so it will be easy for you to understand. So table 1A, we will go over here and let's open table 1A. So this one is table 1A. If I click on this table, then this explains me the details over here. But these details are written in such a difficult words that people get confused. So that's why I thought to make it easy for you. So this is SOC 2020 occupation code example related to job titles. Going rate, 90% of the going rate, 80% of the going rate. You do like this and you will get the this site as well. So this is how you can manage the site. So this one is table 1A. Okay. We have the hotel and accommodation proprietors over here as well. Next one is table 2AA. Previously we discussed table 2, but this one is table 2AA. The lower rate equivalents of the table 1A codes for options F to J continuing employment cases. So if we go back on table 2AA, this is the one. And if I click, this is where it explains me about the table. If I go back, the table 2A is different. A smaller list of RQF 3 to 5 codes that became ineligible on 4th April 2024 but remains responsible until 4th April 2030 for the same sponsor. So if I go back on table 2A, this is the one. So this is the table 2A. I know it's very confusing. That's why I'm trying to explain you that how to interpret these tables. So this one is table 2A. Next one is table 2B. 15 sub-degree codes kept only for global business mobility holders who were sponsored before 4th April 2024. And if we go back, table 2B, this is the one. Okay. Next one is table 3. Health care and education roles where pay is set by national pay scale. NHS doctors, dentists, teachers, agenda for change, band 5+. So table 3, if we go back, this is table 3. And this is where it explains about the pay scale and everything. So if you wanted to take a look, so you will check your code, you will check your details, name, and then you will come to know the code and the salary, like what salary you will be needing. Next and last one is table 3A, transitional national pay scale codes removed from new eligibility but still sponsorable for the same employer until 4th April 2030. Now, if we go back, table 3A, this is the one, table 3A. Additional health and education SOC occupation code where national pay scale skilled worker application granted permission under rules in place before 22nd April 2025. Then after that, we have table 4, going rates for listed healthcare SOC occupation codes by administration and ban. Table 5, going rates for listed education SOC 2020 occupation code by administration and role. And table 6 is occupation codes which are not eligible for skilled worker, global business mobility or scale up route. So if I open table 6 and I go down, this is where it explains me. So this table tells me that if anything is on this list, they are not eligible. Sports player, let's suppose cricketer, football or golfer, bank and post office clerk. So this tells all the jobs which are ineligible. So it's easy for you to understand. I'll put the link of this page in the description, so it will be easy for you to understand. I have also created this video in which I have explained how to apply skilled worker visa, like how I have successfully applied, and I have shared my journey. I'm not a solicitor, not a consultant. I'm just showing you how I have done it. I have also created this video in which I have explained what are the cascade tools, how you can use these tools, because many applicants think that if the job title is not on that list, that means you are not eligible. But this cascade tool explains you that yes, you are allowed to come and work in these job titles. If you have any question, put that in the comment section and I'll get back to you.